Hi, Ewell, Kansas Home Guys. We're over here at a house that we had purchased recently. We'd been in once before to take a look at it right after we bought it. And if you remember, there was a bunch of just basically grandma stuff. There was, couches and TVs, and the house was lived in. I think there was a death, and that's why the family had contacted us to take care of selling the house. So we bought it as is and full of grandma stuff. So we had our team come in and we haul off and donate whatever's left behind. So guys came in and took care of all of that. So we're gonna take a look around and just see how amazing the place looks just by removing a few items. So I remember we came in the front and there was a couch over there, and we had TV and videos and all sorts of stuff. It's really a cute house. You got your bedrooms, and look at those wood floors. Those are amazing. We haven't done anything to them yet. I was later informed, I believe, I think the lady who had lived here for over 50 years, I believe. And really love buying houses from people who'd lived in the homes that long, because they generally took very good care of their property. And I can tell just from looking around at this house that she definitely took good care of it. Really not any major problems that we found. A couple little plumbing things that we needed to tackle, but nothing surprising. Kitchen looks amazing. I remember it was just full of a bunch of junk. So it's much nicer now. Then, if you remember, we had a third bedroom up these stairs, just above the garage. There was TV and dresser and all sorts of stuff up here. So I remember the basement was pretty full of stuff. See how that turned out. Oh, nice. Very nice. So you see that beam on the wall here. There's actually, let's see, we got 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see them. One right there. Those are, we did not put those in, but those are beams that are installed to help with the basement, from the basement walls coming in. It's pretty common. We've done that in a number of properties, both on properties that we're doing remodeling on and rental properties that we have.